I'm so proud to work for an Africa-Europe Foundation. It's not a European foundation, it's not African, it's shared. So I have an incredible sense of pride about that natural interconnection that people from all different cultural and organizational backgrounds have when it comes to common agendas. We're here in Geneva at the World Health Assembly. We have a full room and you've got people committed from all different organizational backgrounds. You have civil society, policymaking, academia, and therefore there's an appetite to meet, there's an appetite to work together. And this is a critical moment for Africa, Europe and internationally. It's critical because one of the conversations we're having this morning is about the impact of climate change on health systems. This is a reality. We've got a lot of data, a lot of evidence, but the most important is that we can see every day across the African continent, across Europe and elsewhere, devastating impact of climate change on people's health. And so what we're doing here this morning is connecting the dots. We're making sure that those practitioners on the ground who are facing the daily reality of climate change and health systems can be there alongside the policymakers who have to make sure that the pledges that have been made by governments here in Geneva can actually make an impact on the ground. So it's about return on investment, access to finance. That's a very specific agenda that can be so impactful and transformative if we get the right people in the room. And I think this morning we have the right people in the room, we have the commitment, but we also have those networks and platforms and those change makers that can really make sure that this agenda moves forward much more beyond just the rooms of the World Health Assembly. We're talking about the major issues facing our planet and our people today. So I think as a group of people, whether it's in civil society, whether it's in policy making, we have to not only connect together, but we have to step up, be much more ambitious about the agenda we have, work beyond our silos and actually focus on local impact. And if we can do that, we can make a transformation.